morning. It is 7:45 a.m. I'm headed to the gym for a session with my PT. Thing to do, we're doing upper body. So that's kind of the plan for today.
Keep going and push a few more. Yeah, 2 more if you can. Smashing it. All the way up. And that's you. Yeah, feet wider apart though, about shoulder width. Soft knees, push back up. Yep, there we go. You mean your version, you do the right version. Let's go for it. Alright, okay. You know, if you just lift your chest a little bit higher, you would be doing V-ups. So try and touch your toes when you do that. That's a V-up. Well, you are, because you're not lifting your chest. But I mean, you may as well do V-ups because you're looking pretty easy. Yeah.
So after I finished from the gym, I then headed to my hair appointment, and this is what the weather looked like in Glasgow on this particular day. It was extremely foggy and extremely cold. So after I had gotten my cornrows in, we then proceeded to lay down the wig. So I had a braid a braided frontal wig. I got this wig from Mariska Bello Wigs in Nigeria, and the frontal was too big for me, so I needed her to help me resize my frontal and then glue it down. I think she did an incredible job. Like, I was so happy. I'm so pleased with the results of this installation. I absolutely loved it. And this is what the weather looked like at the end of this particular day. And yeah, we gotta love winter, right? Thanks for watching my vlog. See you in the next one. Bye.